Good morning, students. This is Kiran Sir's voice, and we deal with the second lesson. So you think you can divide. If you think better, you can divide any problems. This is the meaning or heading of the lesson. अगर आप ज़्यादा अच्छे से सोचते हो तो कोई भी प्रॉब्लम सॉल्व आउट कर सकते हो. You can divide. So this is the story of three brothers, and this is the interesting story. Last period, sir sent a video regarding that the camel and three sons. If you understand properly, this is no problem. If you not understand properly, listen here in this lesson. You can understand properly. See there. There was once an old man who had three sons and 17 camels. So in this story, having a one old person and this old person having a three sons, underline the three sons and 17 camels. उसको उस बूढ़े इंसान को तीन लड़के थे और 17 कैमल्स उनके पास थे. The sons were called Ruplal, Nathu and Lalji. Underline the three brothers. Ruplal बड़ा लड़का, नत्थु मझला लड़का और लालजी इज द स्मॉल सन. These are the three giving the sequence wise. And we are not worried in this story about what the camels were called. This is not reference to the story because camels को क्या कहते हैं वो इम्पोर्टेंट नहीं है. So this is not worry in this lesson about the what camel are called. Camel को क्या बोला जाता है वो इम्पोर्टेंट नहीं है. The father was getting very old and one day he called his sons together and said, दिन ब दिन वो पर्सन बूढ़ा होता गया and after that he called all brothers on one day and said, boys, I am old and one of these days I will die. I will die. मैं बूढ़ा हो चुका हूँ और किसी भी एक दिन मैं मर सकता हूँ. When I am gone, जब मैं चला जाऊँगा, please promise me that you won't quarrel over my camels. What the old person said? I am becoming old and any day I will die, so this is my property 17 camels property, so please promise me that you won't quarrel over my camels. मेरे प्रॉपर्टी के साथ, मेरे कैमल्स के साथ तुम किसी भी हद तक जाकर या किसी भी तरीके का कोई भी कॉरल नहीं करोगे, झगड़ा नहीं करोगे. The three sons look gloomy. Gloomy, dimness, unhappy. तीनों लड़के एक दूसरे की तरफ देखने लगे. They did not want their father to die. Everyone want this type of wish. So they did not want father to die, but they were eager to hear what he had to say. So this is the great story. वो पापा को मरते देखना नहीं चाहते थे, but actually they want to hear what father said. पापा क्या कहेंगे वो सुनना चाहते थे और पापा को मरते हुए देखना वो नहीं चाहते थे. I want you to divide the camels in this way. What says the old person? I want you to divide the camel in this way. मैं मेरे तरीके से कैमल्स कैसे डिवाइड करते हैं वह मैं आपको समझाने का प्रयास कर रहा हूँ. Continue the old man, and this old man saying this type of sentence, मैं मेरे तरीके से ऊँटों को मैं डिवाइड करूँगा. रूपलाल, you are my first son and the oldest. रूपलाल, तुम मेरे बड़े बेटे हो. You must have half the camels. जितने भी कैमल्स है उनमें से आधे कैमल तुम ले लेना. रूपलाल लुक प्लीज्ड, रूपलाल बहुत ज़्यादा खुश हुआ। थैंक यू फादर ही सेड, और पापा को उसने धन्यवाद दिया है। सो अकॉर्डिंग टू दैट द ओल्ड पर्सन वांट टू डिवाइडेड द camels equally between the three sons, but there is a problem. The father want to give half share of camels to the Ruplal, and this is the traditional story. We can say that this is the traditional story. बड़े बेटे को आधे से ज़्यादा जो हिस्सा है वो दिया जाता है. So that's why he old person giving to the Nattu a big share. See next. Nattu, said the old man, and after that he told to Nattu, you are the second boy and you must take a third of the camels. Okay, so तू मेरा दूसरा बेटा है, so you have to take one third of the 17 camels. So what is one third? We can discuss later. Then he turned to the younger boy and said, Lalji, you will get a one ninth. So 17 camels, the old person divided in three sons, half of the camels for Ruplal, one third of the camels for Nathu, and one ninth camels for Lalji. So this is the distribution of that old person to the children. The younger boy were a little disappointed. Who younger? Younger means chota, Lalji. Lalji, the younger boy were a little disappointed, but they did not complain. Younger boy means Nathu and Lalji. This is the younger boy. वो थोड़े से disappointed, निराश हुए, पर उन्होंने complain नहीं की. They did not complain. They promised not to quarrel, not do exactly as their father had commanded. So Lalji and Nattu keep the promise of his father, so that's why they did not complaining about that, because they already promised to his father. A few days later, sadly and very suddenly, the father died. कुछ दिनों के बाद unfortunately the old person died. The boy arranged the funeral. This arrange the funeral. This is the disposal of the dead. जिसे हम मृत्यु संस्कार या अंत्यविधि भी कह सकते हैं. And when that was over, they got down to the business of sharing out the camels. So according to that, one day his father died there, and after that the three sons busy with the dividing the camels. So students, till here we will stop. Till here you can understand properly. I hope that you understand properly. Okay, next portion we take in a next period. Okay, thank you. Have a nice day.